Well, so we have another one. I don't know if... I have no idea if he will stop at Swan Creek to get a sandwich. We have had that happen.
We have had that happen before.
And let's see, it better not have Daddy's favorite items.
Yes.
On this train.
Please have Daddy's favorite items.
No.
Because sometimes they do on this train. Well, can you hear the engine yet? We should be hearing him pretty soon. There he is. There's the horn.
Swan Creek, I think, right?
Yep, Swan Creek.
How far is he if he is crossing Swan Creek?
He's only about a half a mile if he's crossing Swan Creek.
You told me he was a mile last time.
Right, because he wasn't to Swan Creek yet.
Was he almost?
Yeah. And there he is.
He must be flying.
He's got to be flying. Are you kidding me? Got a box.
Look at that. Sands gate went down at the same time.
Wow.
Usually it's delayed.
Yeah.
I'm starting to wonder if it will get delayed when it goes up. Let's see what happens when this train goes by Dixie Highway. If it will fix that sand gate. Did he have two engines?
I thought it was only one.
Should he be crossing Neil Armstrong?
Yeah.
And say it.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Man on the moon. Now they got all kinds of men on the moon. They're going to start building houses and stuff on the moon.
That's weird.
What?
Alright, is it going to go all the way up?
Well, we don't know. It might get hung up on the cliff. But yeah, that's good. They're good.
It was like all the way up on top last time.
Yeah.
It never went as up as it was, right?
Right.
Wow, it's already rid of Neil Armstrong already.